In this video, we will be looking at TBC 2025.10 aerial photogrammetry enhancement. We will look at the new automatic ground control point detection workflow in TBC. Let's now have a look at the new workflow for auto detecting of ground control points in the photogrammetry module for TBC. First of all, I'll select my coordinate system for this project and my data set. Once you've done that, let's import our ground control points. And let's import them as ground control. There we go. And next up, let's import my JXL file for my flight and get all the imagery into TBC. There we have our data imported, and in 3D view we can see what it looks like. Here we have our flights and our ground control points. In the photogrammetry tab, we have done what we needed, so let's go to adjusting the photo stations. That workflow still stays the same as we have previously done. So we'll adjust them first of all. Once the adjustment has completed, apply it. And then the next step will be to adjust photo station with GCPs. Not going to have a look at the report for now, as we just want to focus on how the auto detection for GCPs works. So now that TAD has been completed, if you now go to the adjust photo stations with GCPs, go to absolute adjustment tab, and now you'll see you'll have an option to add your ground control points. So let's quickly select them. I will do it via the Object Explorer. Simply click on the plus button to add a control point, and now you will see you have the Run Automatic Target Detection option available in your command window. Add all the control points that you want to utilize. So this will have to be one at a time before you run the automatic target detection. So I'll just add 3 of them. And if we look at our 3D view, here we go. We added 1, 2, let's just open up that a little bit so we can see which ones we added. Alright, just over there, 1, 2, and 4. Let's add 5 as well. There and add 5. So those are my control points. Once you've added all the control points you want, you still have the option to actually select if you want them enabled. You can make them disable or as a check, so you can still have that option. and then simply click on Run Automatic Target Detection. That'll start the command, and TBC will run through all the images and auto detect the targets as per your instructions. And there we have it. Auto detection has picked up these amount of observations for each target in the imagery. If we go into the 3D view, now you will see there is 0.1. We jump over to 2. You will see there are all the detections that has been done for that one, and so forth and so forth. So if you go into the station view, you can zoom in and see exactly how the detection for each of these points were done. Simply apply the adjustment and you have completed your adjust photo station with GCPs much quicker, much faster than previously being the case, where you had to manually click on each individual image. You can still go and make changes. Enable, it shows you the mode, and you can even remove those points if you want to from the detection in here. That'll then be all that is needed. Simply click on adjust, and TBC will then do the adjustment with the ground control points that were auto detected. While that process is running, I'll show you a quick targets that are currently supported by TBC, and have a look in future. We will also expand on these targets. So these are the ones that TBC will be able to auto detect for you in your photogrammetry processing. Once the processing is done, simply apply your adjustment, and then you can have a look at the report as well for the adjustment done with GCPs. And let's have a look at the adjustment report. There you have it. And if you want to go to the ground control points, there you can see the result of what we did, and you can get a good idea about the accuracy or the points, and then as well go down to the accuracies for each of those, and you can see how good TBC did the auto extraction for you and the amount of extractions for each control point that was done in the software. And there you have it. Now you can go on and create your deliverables, and hopefully this will save a lot of time where you don't have to actually click each individual image to get your ground control point selected. TBC now does that automatically for you, and we hope this speeds up your processing and get your deliverables much quicker in the future.